cracked concrete, dust covering every surface, exposed wiring hanging loose. This wasn't just outdated. Everything had to go. Old materials removed, surfaces stripped back to the core. The room was cleared, leveled, and reset. This is where the transformation truly begins.
Okay, bring up the next panel to the staging area. Watch the edges on the left side. This is where it transforms into a lifestyle. Sofa placed at the center, marble table aligned perfectly. And just like that, a completely new space. Warm, cinematic, and built for luxury living. Would you live here? Or change something?